Are you looking for a cool mirror that's got features like motion detection? This thing is awesome. So we're in the middle of a rebuild and a remodel, and we need a new bathroom mirror. This one here not only has motion detection sensing, you've got 3 different levels of light. Let me go ahead and turn the motion detecting off. Okay. You've got warm, medium, natural. You can also adjust the lights by holding the button on the light. So take that off. It dimmed. Hold it. It's going to go all the way back up. It also has anti-fogging. So if you're in the shower, bath, and the bathroom gets all steamy, you're just going to press that button there, and that's going to prevent the mirror from fogging. I love it. I've never seen a mirror like that. Let me give you just a close-up look of the mirror overall. You've got all the mounting options. It does include all the mounting materials. I've just got it here for demo to show you, including work gloves, the anchor screws, nails, measuring, all of it. You can mount this mirror, take that off here, this way, or you can mount it this way. Let me show you the back here. So real easy, just a couple of screws will get you going, and then it is just a regular AC plug. So really a fantastic product. This will be one of the last things that goes up in our rebuild, and I can't wait. So I think you'll love it.